Salutations. Welcome to the natural world. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about garlic. Garlic is praised for its many medicinal benefits and applications, but it is not the garlic that we are buying in the grocery store that is going to provide these benefits. If you want benefits from garlic, then you have to use the wild garlic, the garlic that Mother Nature made. Many things are marketed and labeled as natural, but they are in fact genetically modified, altered, and artificial.